So someone asked me about my quickest way of saving money. And you know what it is, family? The quickest way to save money is not spending it on bullshit. Like, really, that's what I do. Don't spend it on bullshit no more. You know what I mean? You know how we just used to jackball money on random things because we thought that this is going to enhance our lives in some type of way, and it really doesn't. You know what I'm saying? So now, you know, I just realized that, you know, the reality of everything is, if you can't get the loans, okay. If you can't get the grants, okay. But you know what you can do? You can cut back some habits. You can say, you know what, I ain't spending money on clothes this year. You can say, I'm sacrificing that. You know what, I ain't doing nothing luxury. Nah, I'm eating to live. I'm not living to eat right now. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get healthy. I'm trying to get myself together. When you do that, and you'll start realizing all this money be popping up. You're like, man, where this money come from? Them habits. You know, spending your money on bullshit. So this year, just keep that in mind. You want to save, you want to get a quick 5,000 real quick so you can make an investment. Stop spending on bullshit. Hold on.